The next command is the mirror command. And what the mirror command will do will either make a copy or just move an object. But as it moves the object, it's actually flipping it and mirroring it. So I'm going to use the mirror command on this triangle to kind of show you how this works. So I'm going to pick the entity, watching my command line. I'm going to press enter. And ask me for the start point of the mirror line. So I'm going to pick this corner here. And now you can see that it's either going to mirror the object and if I pick the endpoint, just drag it down here. If I pick this point here, it'll mirror it that way. If I pick this point here, it's going to mirror it this way. So if I click this point here, it's going to ask me, do I want to delete the source entity? So if I want to make a copy of it, then I would say, no, don't delete that source object. So I'm going to click then for no, and now it makes a copy of that object there. So if I select both of these this time and repeat that mirror command by just pressing the enter key, and I pick a start point here, now I can come and pick the end point here. And if I say yes, it will just mirror that object over to the other direction. So that's the mirror command, simply making a copy or just taking an object and making a mirrored copy of it, uh, either horizontally or vertically.